Good morning, students. Today we are going to do our topic, our festivals. So let's begin our festival. Festivals we celebrate in India. It plays very important role in Indian culture. So let us know first about festivals. A festival is a time of fun, joy and celebration. India is a land of festivals. Not a single month goes by without a festival. Some festivals are common to the whole country, while others are celebrated only in some states. There are the different festivals: national days, religious festival, and harvest festivals. Our India's festivals are divided into three kinds. First is national days. In Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the festivals which are celebrated throughout the country by everyone. These festivals are known as a national festivals or national days. First is Independence Day. On 15th August we celebrate our Independence Day. It was on this day in the year 1947 India won its independence from British rule. So this is our national flag of tricolor. We host it is on 15th August in Delhi. Next one next national festival is Republic Day. On 26th January, we celebrate our Republic Day. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. See, you can see one view or the picture of Rajpath during the Republic Days. Next national festival of India is, which is celebrated by everyone. So our next festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. We celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 and died on 30th January 1948. He played a very important role to get the India free from British rule. These three were the national festivals. Now we are going to discuss about religious festivals. Religious festivals are, our first religious festival is Deepavali, Holi, Dashera, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Eid, Christmas and Navraz. These are the festivals which are celebrated in India in the different parts by the different people according to their belief and culture. It is celebrated but by the different religious people. So let us see the first religious festival, Deepavali. Diwali is called the festival of lights. On this day, people decorate their houses with diyas, lights, and candles. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped on this day. Diwali comes in the month of October and November. Our next religious festival is Holi. Holi is called the festival of colors. It is celebrated mainly in North India. Holi signals the end of winter and is the time when the wheat crop is ready for harvesting. So Holi is the festival of colors celebrated in North India. Next is the Dashera. Dashera celebrates the victory of good over evil. It is believed that on this day the Lord Rama killed Ravana, the 10-headed dominant king. See the picture of Lord Ravana. Our next religious festival is Guru Parv. Guru Parv means the festival of the Guru. The holy book of Sikhs called Guru Granth Sahib is read on this day. There is a big festival celebration in the Golden Temple at Amritsar. So this is the Guru Purb celebrated by Sikh religion. Next religious festival is Eid. Eid ul Fitr is celebrated to mark the end of the month long period of fasting called Ramzan. Prayers or namaz is offered at mosque. Money and clothes are donated to the poor. So this is the religious festival of India, Eid ul Fitr. Next religious festival of India is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year as the birth of Jesus Christ. On 24th December at midnight, special prayers takes place in churches. Children love to receive gifts from Santa Claus. So Christmas Day is celebrated in the different parts of the country by different way. Next is Nowruz. Nowruz celebrates the Parsi New Year. It is celebrated on March 21, marking the end of winter and beginning of spring. Next are harvest festivals, that is Bihu, Pongal, Onam, Baisakhi. These are the festivals of harvesting, and in the different parts of the country is celebrated by different people in the different states. So let us see one by one. Our first harvest festival is Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Three Bihus are celebrated in a year. Buffalo fights, big bonfires, singing, dancing and fastings are part of the festival. Young girls wearing traditional Assamese clothes perform on special Bihu song and dances. Next is Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 3 days. Pongal is prepared by cooking rice and milk and the jaggeries. Our next religious festival is the next religious festival is Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is called the festival of flowers. People wear new clothes and eat a special meal which is served on banana leaves. This is called Onam Sadhya. You can see the picture of food which is served on a banana leaf. Next is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of North India. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Punjab. The man performs the bhangra while women do the gidda. See the picture of Punjab. Next is births. The different births anniversary is celebrated in India, and the whole country participate to celebrate the birth anniversary of the different great people. Let us see one by one. Budh Purnima. Budh Purnima is celebrated on Budh Purnima on Gautam Buddha's birthday. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated as an Mahavir Jayanti on the birth anniversary of Mahavira. Children's Day on 14th November. Jawaharlal Nehru's birth is celebrated as a Children's Day. Teachers' Day, the birth of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan on 5th September is celebrated as a Teachers' Day. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India, was a highly respected and much loved teacher. So these were the festivals which were celebrated in India. Some festivals are the national festivals which is celebrated throughout the country by everyone. Next is the religious festival. In the different part of the country, different religious people used to celebrate. And the third one is harvest festival. During the time of harvesting, these festivals are celebrated, which we already discussed. Some are the festivals which is celebrated as a birth anniversary of a great person, like the Teachers' Day, Children's Day. So I hope you people understood what do you mean by our festivals in India. We celebrate numbers of festivals in the different way. So thank you. Have a nice day.